Welcome to the Fast Fix channel. My name is Jason, and today we're changing the taillights on a 2018 F150. This is super simple. All you need is a 5/16 wrench and you're good to go. Let's get started. Before we dive into it, let's take a quick look at symptoms. So a normal blinker operation, you'll hear this steady on, off, on, off, on, off. Now, when something happens, like a filament breaks, you're going to much more rapid on, off, and that is generally an indication that you have a bad bulb. The F150 has 4 light bulbs, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. So our general tendency would be to come around and see which bulbs are burned out. So if we turn them on, we can see we've got 2 functioning top lights, and look at this, 2 functioning lower lights. So what exactly is going on here? Let's go back inside the cab and engage our turn signal. Still see we got the rapid signal going. Come back here and sure enough, we've got 2 on the top that are good, but the bottoms are not blinking at all. Here's why. It's actually quite simple. These bulbs work in a few different ways and have a dual filament design. The top filament controls our running lights, while the bottom filament controls our turn signal operation as well as the brake lights. So when this bottom one fails, you're going to get that rapid turn signal indicator in the cab, but you're still going to have your running lights, thus the reason why these were still lit up earlier in the video. All right, let's get to the fixing part. All we need to do is remove these 2 bolts. It's a 5/16. You can absolutely use just a standard wrench, but if you got power tools, use them. The next thing we need to do is remove our lens here. And what we need to do is kind of pull or push it away from the truck, just kind of using your tips of your fingers, because we got a mounting spot here, and one down here. And they all kind of come toward you. Just like that. And as you recall, it was the bottom bulbs that were bad on ours, so a simple rotation counterclockwise is going to unlock that top. We can simply pull that bulb out. And geez, Ford had me fooled. When you look in there, it looks like 2 lights, but it is just the one. It's just really reflective, so my bad there, guys. Just one bulb. As far as getting the bulb out, all you need to do is kind of pull from the bottom. So just take it and standard grip, come right out. If you look at this bulb, you can definitely see it looks a little burned. And for our purposes, we needed the 3157 bulb. I got these at O'Reilly's, but you can find them anywhere. Whether this is a myth or not, I generally don't touch the bulb glass with my hands, and I always put it in a towel, or if I'm wearing gloves, that'll do just fine. We'll just snap it back in, and all we need to do now is reassemble, and we are good to go. And that'll do it. I told you it would be easy. And hey, if this video helped you, please help me and hit like and subscribe. It makes a world of difference. Thanks for watching, and have a great rest of the day.